Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jenilyn. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this door mask or face mask with headband. Okay, so it's a great day today, and yeah. So these are the materials: Monaco acrylic brand of yarn in a 3 ply, so in shade 24, and in a 3.0 millimeter hook, a pair of scissors. Okay, and to begin with, make a slip knot, then chain 13. I do apologize with the background noise because our neighbor is making a bamboo sofa, so he is using hammer, so that is why you can hear some noise. And then I live in the near the highway, so you can hear some noise again from the motor. All right, so from the hook, count 3 chains, and then on the third chain make one half double crochet, and then so repeat until you reach the yarn tail. So you have a total of 11 stitches. Okay, so 11 stitches. Okay, continue making one half double crochet in each stitch. All right, so ayan. Okay, so on the next round, chain 1, and then again on the first chain make one half double crochet. All right, so do this one half double crochet in each stitch for 4 rounds. All right, so 4 rounds. Okay, so I will meet you when I finish 4 rounds. Then on this part you have to count 5 stitches, and then on the 6th stitch you have to put a mark, because this time we have to increase our loop. So the first 5 stitches make one half double crochet in each stitch, and then on the stitch, all right, so on the 5th stitch one half double crochet. Then on the 6th stitch where we put our mark, we have to do 3 half double crochet on the same stitch. So this part will be the increasing part. Okay, and then on the center put your mark again. Then on the rest of the 5 stitches, one half double crochet. All right, okay, so ayan, we are starting to increase. Chain 1, then one half double crochet on the stitches before the mark. All right, And on the mark, do 3 half double crochet again on the same space. 1, 2, 3. So on the second stitch, put your mark. So the second stitch will be the center of the 3 stitches in one space. Okay, so repeat this process on the next stitches. On the rest of the stitches, we have to make 1 half double crochet. Alright, so there are times that the video is focusing on the background, so the yung ginawa natin magiging blur. So we have to make as big as this. So I made 9 rounds for increasing part. Alright, so 9 rounds. And then since I measure my face, my face is 9 inches. So this will be the half part of our mask. Okay, a very tip. Ayan, we have to measure, or it's up to you if you have to measure with your face or you have to use tape measure. Okay, so alright, so chain 1 and then cut your yarn and then pull through to fasten up your work. Okay, for this part I've done the other side of the mask, and I will show you how to stitch this together using single crochet. Okay, so I will remove the mark na. Okay, make sure that the stitches are equally kailangan siya magtungod, in Bisaya magtungod siya. So ayan, I've done chain 1, and then make sure no. Oops. Okay, on the first stitch, insert your hook, and then on the first stitch on the other side, insert your hook after making the chain, and then do 1 single crochet. Make sure that every loop is the same as the other side, so that your mask will not be hindi siya bansiwag, hindi siya hiwi. Anong Tagalog sa hiwi? Anong English sa hiwi? What is English of hiwi? Okay, so much for that. Yeah, you have to make sure, and then I will meet you here. So on the last stitch, 1 single crochet, then single crochet and chain 1, and then cut your yarn. Alright, so this is our mask. And yeah, so we are now going to make the strap of our mask. So do the slip knot, and then on the very edge of our mask, insert your hook and then pull the yarn, pull the slip knot, and then chain 20. Okay, chain 20. Chain 20. So there are times that the mask itself is blur, so I do apologize for that. I wish to I wish that I can buy my vlog camera, hopefully. Okay, someday, somewhere out there. All right, so we have to do the other side, string for the other side. All right, so again, chain 20. Yeah, this will be our mask. And then this time, later on, we have to, no. So this time we have to make our headband, the other side of the headband. So chain 8. Slip knot, then chain 8. Then count 3 chains from the hook and make 1/2 double crochet on the third chain, and then on the rest of the chain 1 double crochet until you reach the yarn tail. For the next round, chain 1, and then on the very first stitch, 1 double crochet. So do this, repeat this process until you reach your desired length of your headband. Okay, so repeat the process until you reach your desired length of your headband. Okay, so the last part, chain 1 and then single crochet together for all the loop. Okay, so single crochet together, then chain 1 and then cut your yarn, pull through to fasten up. Okay, alright, so for this part, since this is removable headband, so I decided to put a button. Alright, so I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided. Alright, so in between single double crochet, you can have your buttonhole. So if you desired to remove the headband, you can easily remove. That is why I make this, or I put some button for the headband. And now we are done. So I'm ready to wear this face mask. I hope you enjoy. Ayan, I hope. Okay, I want to wear this. I'll try my work. Okay. All right. So before this video will end, I would like to invite you to do subscribe. Kindly click the notification bell below and kindly leave a comment, and please give me a big thumbs up. So if you desired to have some of this. I made this. You can order this from me. I sell this online. Online. Okay. So, ayan. It fits me really, really, really well. So, I do hope that you really enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I'm so glad if you will tag me with your finished product. Okay. So, ayan. You can make this, you look like a rabbit. rabbit ear. Alright, so thank you for watching, and then don't forget to subscribe, kindly click the notification bell below, and kindly leave a comment, and please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and yeah, it's so cute. Bye bye.